This video introduces the Cadence PCIE Verification IP. Let's start by highlighting the comprehensive Cadence PCIE Verification IP ecosystem. It covers the industry-standard protocols and interfaces that come under this umbrella and are part of modern-day society designs. At the core is PCIe VIP, which covers generations 1 through 6 and extends to General 7 with support for serial and pipe interfaces. It also supports advanced integrity and data encryption features, ensuring secure and reliable data transfer. The CXL VIP supports CXL 1.1, 2.0, and 3.x versions and includes I/O, cache, and mem semantics. It also supports integrity and data encryption. Cadence System VIP applications support System Traffic Library, System Performance Analyzer, and System Verification Scoreboards for PCIe and CXL interfaces. At last, Non-Volatile Memory Express NVMe supports versions 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and 2.0. Together, these components illustrate a versatile and integrated environment designed to facilitate high-performance, secure, and interoperable system designs across various interconnect technologies. This slide highlights the key features of PCIe VIP. It has over 300 timing parameters and 3,300 checkers. It also has 5,700 configurable features and a callback mechanism at each layer. It has a vast number of test cases, with more than 11,500 tests and 500 tests, which also includes compliance tests. These numbers are indicative. Actual numbers may vary slightly. Cadence PCIe VIP verifies the host, device, and switch designs for all native and downgraded widths. Comprehensive protocol checks are integrated with hundreds of built-in checkers or assertions. It supports both serial and Pipe 7 interface. The serial interface supports both NRZ and PAM4, depending on the PCIe version. Pipe variant also supports both original and SERDES architectures. It also supports triple check. Additionally, Cadence's activable PCI-SIG workgroups, such as the PCI protocol WG and PHY-related groups, underscores its commitment to staying aligned with industry standards and contributing to the evolution of PCIe technology. This involvement ensures that the VIP remains up-to-date and effective for current and future PCIe designs. This and subsequent slides cover the features of Cadence PCIe VIP. It supports multiple device configurations, including root complex, endpoint, and switch, ensuring broad applicability. It supports all flavors of PCIe version 6 and is completely backward compatible with previous versions. It also supports the latest version 7.0 revision 1.0. It supports various flavors of PCIe interfaces, mainly serial and pipe interfaces. Based on the selected version, the serial interface can be configured for NRZ or PAM4. Pipe version 7.0 and below can also be exercised. It also has SERDES architecture implemented if required to test the DUT SERDES. All PCIE Gen speeds are also supported, which are 2.5, 5, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128 gigatransfer per second. Configurable link width supports are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. It has precise control over equalization and can configure VIP in full equalization, bypass equalization, and no equalization mode. During link initialization, Cadence link configuration can perform the following main operations: LTSSM with L0 partial negotiation, up configuration and down configuration options, pre-coding at 64 gigatransfer per second, 1B by 1B, scrambling, descrambling, gray coding at 64 gigatransfer per second, PAM4, signaling at 64 and 120 gigatransfer per second, EIEOS for 128 gigatransfer per second. Additional capabilities, such as lane reversal, polarity inversion, and bifurcation modes, enhance flexibility and performance, making this VIP suitable for cutting-edge PCIe designs. This slide is a continuation of the previous slide. The VIP supports various FLIT formats, including multiple encoding modes like 1B1B, 8B/10B, and 128B/130B, along with FEC and CRC for error correction, ensuring robust data transmission especially for Gen 6 and beyond. It also supports FLIT sequence number, retry mechanism, and FLIT marker. It supports flow control scaling, dedicated shared and merged credit, and optimized update FC as well. Transaction layer updates covers 10-bit and 14-bit tags, orthogonal header content, unordered I/O, deferrable memory write, data object exchange, address translation services, PTM byte order adaptation, requester, destination, and completer segment support. It can be configured for full enumeration and bypass enumeration. It also supports interrupts handling mechanisms such as MSI, MSIX, and INTX. This slide is also a continuation of the previous one, focusing on system-level capabilities, plugins, clock modes, SKU handling, and power management. The key system features include security protocols like TEE Device Interface Security Protocol and data protection mechanisms such as integrity and data encryption. It also covers data object exchange, which takes care of all the aspects of data transfer, along with component measurement and authentication. Virtualization support is robust with single root and scalable I/O virtualization, enhancing resource sharing and efficiency. Address translation and access control services improve memory management and security. Other system features are process address space ID, page request interface, and deferred memory write. System plugins like the Scoreboard and Performance Analyzer aid in monitoring and optimizing system behavior. Various clock modes support synchronization flexibility, including common and separate reference clocks with or without spread spectrum clocking, which also includes independent spread spectrum clocking. The SKU support includes the ability to insert SKU between lanes for all generations and the reception of packets with SKU recognition. Finally, the VIP supports power management, which has support for D states, ASPM, and L1 substates. All these comprehensive feature set highlights the PCIe VIP's readiness for next-generation PCIe standards and complex system designs. The slide contains the path to access the details of Cadence VIPs. You can also contact the email talk_to_VIP_expert @cadence.com for further queries, demo, and evaluation of Cadence VIPs.